Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Today we are back at the barn project we showed you last summer. Customer has asked us to replace the skylight panels on the roof. Last week we took off the old horse barn decorations. They were just a leak issue, rotting, maintenance issue. Replaced it with some color match rustic red ridge metal. These are acrylic panels from Making Metal. It's R4 profile. Some people call it an ag panel. We're using silver Zac screws. Ran a bead of clear silicone underneath the ribs at the top. It's an 11-foot panel. We've got about a 2-foot lap at the bottom and the same up at the top, plus or minus. Show you the condition that these old panels were in. Badly degraded, fiberglass webbing starting to show through. Really not serviceable in any way. Our new panels look better, bringing a lot more light. And you can see the difference up close. This job should be a wrap at this point. And we'll see what happens next. This customer's always got something for us to do. But the barn project should be officially finished at this point. So again, if we can help you out with your roofing projects, metal, shingles, low slope, please give us a call. We've got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.